So the alif is the king of the letters, watching everyone from the tower. Yeah, and again, the family boat, ba, one dot below, ta, two dots, two dots above, ta, three dots above, three, tha. So the gym family is, this guy is at the gym, gym. This guy just got back from the gym and he's tired. This guy is very naughty. He doesn't want to go to the gym. He doesn't want to do anything. So he's making some weird noises. We'll call him. Okay? See? It's easy, right? It just takes a little bit of practice. Alhamdulillah. So the next is another family, but their family is small. It only consists of 2 letters. So again, from the right to the left. So this letter is easy. It's just sitting very comfortably right there, you know, not doing anything. And they look alike. But again, usually the first letter of the family may have only 1 dot, and or no dots at all. So let's have a look. In this case, this letter here has no dots. He is called d. This one right here, he's called dal. It's like you're saying dad. Dal, dal, dal. The second one has 1 dot above, and he's called th. It's easy, huh? Dal, dal. It's like the grammatical article in the English when you say, what is the matter with you? What is the matter with you? The moon, the stars. So that's exactly the grammatical article in English, the sound that it gives us, okay? Dal, dal, dal. It's easy. Notice the location of the tongue when you say dal, dal, dal. The tongue is inside the mouth, and again, against the top of the teeth. When you say dal, however, the tongue is almost out of the mouth and between the teeth. Dal. Okay.